What's up, my loves? It's your girl Brandy Giz, and I am coming to you with a eyeshadow look. It's kind of like on the neutral side with a pop of color. And I've done this before on my channel, but I figured I'd do another one. But right now I'm applying the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I picked this up. It's a small size from Sephora, and I like it because it like plumps my lips. So right now I am going to fill in my brows with the NYX. This is the Microbrow pencil in the shade Expresso. Before I put them in, I've been liking this here primer. It's the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, and I love it because it's a matte primer. And I just put that all over my face. And I put it in my eyebrows too because I get oily in my brows. Brush. Mine is a Morphe 432. Get some concealer. It's like 2 shades lighter than my skin complexion, and then I just go underneath my brow like so. Like, you know, light strokes. I don't put a lot. Some people put a lot, but you don't really need a lot. Brows, you find yourself losing a little pencil. You just go over it. I then get a brush like this, and this is like a Real Techniques brush, or you can get any kind of dense brush that you can blend that concealer out so you won't have that halo. And your brows will look something like that. I'll be back once I finish this other brow, the other brow done in a minute. Alrighty, so I'm back, did the brows, and I'm gonna go in with the SmashBox, and this is a primer that I love to use. I think when I'm done with this, I'm gonna probably try Fenty and see how it looks on the lids, but I like this one because it cancels out my darkness that I have on my lid. I noticed a lot of people are getting away from primers and just using a concealer, but I know with my oily lids this works well because I don't have that that creasing and oily lids, which is a good thing. Just get my brush that I usually put my powder on with, and I just tap it on my lid. Alrighty, I ordered the KKW Mario, and I know I'm late, but I really was interested in this shadow after seeing a couple of reviews on it. And this is from Kim Kardashian West Lime. And here is, it comes with your mirror and your sleeve, and are the beautiful colors. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this here shade. It's like a brown, like a light brown, like but just to show you a neutral look without any pop of color I put on my lashes. Pretty much I like the lashes a lot. I cut off just a little piece because it was a little bit too much, but I mean, you can wear this, it's not too dramatic. What was I about to tell you? I didn't put any I'm trying to think what kind of eyeliner I want to go for. Do I want something black, or maybe I'll go with something nude? I want to use this here blue underneath, and I think I am. I'm going to use the blue, and I'm going to use that blue because it looks so pretty. Let me see. Oh, that blue is pretty. Okay, I want to go in with the nude on my waterline. So I did the nude on the waterline. Now I'm going to go in with the Sephora Perfect Nude Lip Gloss. And I like this. It's cute. I like that. It's really, really cute. And I also ordered the Kim Kardashian gloss, and this one is called Super Nude. I should have used that. Maybe I'll go on top of it and see how it looks. This is Super Nude. Real cute packaging. I like it. Alright, let me take this little tie up my hair. Alrighty, so I'm back and this is the final look. I pretty much like it. You don't really have to do the blue underneath. I like it even without the blue. I like it. I hope you guys like. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, guys, have a blessed one. Bye.